Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm very excited to bring you the iPhone SE 3. Let's take a look at it. Released about 2 weeks ago, this is Apple's tried and true iPhone 8 form factor being brought into the year 2022 by introducing 5G and also by bringing in the A15 Bionic chip, which basically makes this iPhone as powerful as the iPhone 13. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. As always, superb packaging, very, very nice packaging from Apple. I always like the fact that you can see the outline of the phone up here. And I don't know if you can tell that when I turn it sideways, but again, it's actually embossed, and the actual size that you see out here is the actual true size of the phone. And Apple switched over to all paper packaging, or at least as much as they could, with the iPhone 13. And you no longer have those plastic shrink wraps that you used to have in the past. Now you just have the paper packaging. And let's go ahead and get this open. Very, very nice. Seems to be like a deeper black color. And again, you see this time around, they've put little infographics on the iPhone that let you know what, the volume down, volume up, your silent/vibrate button, and your power button, because they have actually completely gotten rid of the instruction manual. The only thing that you get in there is now, I believe, legal and safety, as well as just a single Apple sticker. Here we can see Apple is choosing just to go with the all paper packaging in order to become a more environment friendly company. Let's go ahead and put this back in there. And I'm not sure if you saw what our SIM ejector looks like, but now we have reached levels of cost cutting that I never see with Apple. We now have just a simple twisted wire SIM ejector, no longer that nicer solid SIM ejector that we used to get in the past with Apple products. And also we got a Type-C to Lightning cable that we have been seeing in the past few years, and of course no power brick being included. And that's it. That's all you get in here. There is no hidden case behind this. I know you see a lot of TikTok videos. That's not in here. Okay, let's go ahead and put this aside and take a look at our iPhone. So here we go. Let's go ahead and power this on. Okay, before we continue, let's go ahead and do that peel. As you can see here, just an iPhone 8 body, nothing new except for the addition of the A15 Bionic chip and 5G. Unfortunately, no millimeter wave support here, but this does basically make it just as powerful as its iPhone 13 brother. However, do keep in mind that the same complaints that we've been having about the iPhone 8 are also present here, with the smaller battery life being definitely an issue, because you do have a flagship processor, an A15 processor, and if you do fire up some gaming, it's definitely going to chew through that very, very quickly. And again, very, very similar. Nothing new, actually the exact same phone. Nothing new has changed, again, as far as the internals are concerned, except for, of course, again, the inclusion of 5G, as well as the inclusion of a higher capacity battery, because nothing can be really done for the battery. There's just so much room, and Apple is definitely playing it safe. And again, nothing really new. That's why I really felt the need to do an unboxing on this, because I just couldn't really believe how similar this was to the previous iPhones that we have encountered. And we do definitely have, wow. So for the selfie mode, video and selfie, it doesn't really have a lot of options. It doesn't look like we can go in 4K on selfie mode. So unfortunately, we're stuck with HD, and we can't turn it past 30 frames per second. So then this is what video looks and sounds like on the brand new iPhone SE 2022 with the 5G. It's actually pretty clear enough. I think that image processing is very, very good on this chip. That's what makes it look very, very good. So then this is what the iPhone SE 2022 main camera looks like. I did want to very briefly put side by side two iPhones next to each other so that you can see the difference between the new iPhone SE 3, the 5G one, and its non-5G counterpart. As you can see, they are again very, very similar in color, except that the brand new iPhone 5G is slightly darker, more intense in color, more akin to a piano black rather than the more gray black, more washed out black from the previous generation. Here they are for you to appreciate in all of their glory side by side. All right, so go ahead and leave down in the comments. What are your thoughts on this? I mean, I feel that for its price point, it's actually pretty good because it's only $30 more. But I do feel that maybe this didn't really need to happen, as this form factor is really, really quite antiquated at this point, and it definitely shows its age. You know, back when the iPhone SE2 first came out, I think back 2017, that was considered revolutionary. That was considered quite a good deal. You know, that was pretty good deal, and I could definitely justify that $399 price tag. But as far as this one goes, I'm not sure this one really needed to exist. Again, let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this phone? Make sure to comment, subscribe. Don't miss out on our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're so close to reaching 1,000 subscribers, and it just really means a lot. And as always, thanks for watching.